Hello everyone. Welcome to The Vector, where you find the secrets to becoming the best version of yourself. Today, we will explore a super hot topic, developing yourself with 7 golden habits of successful people. Are you ready to become successful? Imagine waking up every day with these wonderful habits, like making the best cup of coffee in the morning. The first habit will amaze you, the second will make you excited, and by the third habit, you'll start feeling like a superhero. So let's dive in and discover what these habits are and how we can apply them today. Don't take your eyes off the screen, because exciting things are waiting for you right after this. Habit 1. Set clear goals. Let's start with the first habit, setting clear goals. Have you ever felt like a boat adrift in the open sea? Setting clear goals is like holding a compass and knowing exactly where you're going. Imagine you're in a swimming competition but don't know where the finish line is. You'd feel lost and swim in circles endlessly. Setting clear goals means identifying your destination, knowing where you're swimming towards and when you'll reach the finish line. Remember when your mum used to say, "You need to study hard to become a doctor or an engineer"? She was helping you set goals. But now that you're grown up, don't wait for your mum to remind you. Set your own goals. Complete a project, increase sales, or simply lose weight to fit into your favorite outfit. To set clear goals, you need to be smart, and not the smart like your smartphone. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I want to save $1 million in the next 2 years by investing in stocks." Sounds more appealing and achievable, right? And remember, goals don't have to be grand at first. Start with small goals and gradually upgrade. Just like you can't eat a whole cake in one go, but you can enjoy it piece by piece. Setting clear goals not only helps you know where you're headed, but also helps you achieve great success in life. Start now by writing down your goals and conquering them step by step. What are you waiting for? Grab a pen and paper and start writing. Habit 2. Manage time effectively. The second habit we're exploring today is managing time effectively. Who among us hasn't felt that 24 hours in a day is not enough? If you're like me, this habit will be the key to mastering time. Have you ever heard the saying, "Time is money"? In reality, time is even more valuable because lost money can be earned back, but lost time is gone forever. So how can we manage time effectively? The first thing you need is to prioritize. Imagine you have a long to-do list, but don't know where to start. It's like standing in front of a buffet with hundreds of delicious dishes and not knowing which one to choose first. The trick is to pick the most important tasks and do them first. This is called the rule of priority by importance. Secondly, use time management tools. There are plenty of apps and software to help you plan, remind, and track your progress. If you love technology, try apps like Todoist, Trello, or Google Calendar. If you prefer traditional methods, a notebook and pen can be very useful. A small but extremely effective tip is the Pomodoro technique. Divide your work time into 25-minute intervals, followed by a 5-minute break. After every 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of about 15 to 30 minutes. This method helps you maintain high focus and avoid prolonged fatigue. And don't forget, managing time effectively doesn't mean working non-stop. Make sure to take time to rest, relax, and recharge. Just like you can't run forever without stopping, right? Managing time effectively isn't hard if you know how. Start by prioritizing tasks, using supporting tools, and always remember to take time for yourself. Once you do these things, you'll see the day become longer and work efficiency increase significantly. Habit 3. Keep learning continuously. Next, we'll explore the third habit of successful people. Keep learning continuously. Have you ever heard the saying, study, study more, study forever? It's not just a slogan, but a key to advancing in life. Imagine you're a smartphone. To always run smoothly and update new features, you need to regularly download updates. Similarly, we need to continuously learn to upgrade ourselves. Learning doesn't just happen in schools, but everywhere, from books, online courses, to daily life experiences. You might think that learning is boring, but actually, learning can be very interesting and fun if you turn it into an adventure. Try exploring a new topic every week, or join clubs and workshops to expand your knowledge. You'll be surprised at how diverse and rich the world around you becomes. And don't forget, continuous learning not only gives you more knowledge, but also helps you develop soft skills, expand your network, and become the best version of yourself. So always maintain a spirit of curiosity like a child, and you'll find life full of exciting opportunities. Habit 4. Maintain discipline. Moving on to habit 4. Maintain discipline. Have you ever wondered why some people always achieve their goals while others easily give up halfway? The secret lies in discipline. Maintaining discipline is like keeping up a daily exercise routine. At first, it may be hard and tiring, but with perseverance, you'll see amazing results. Imagine if you commit to waking up early every day to exercise. Gradually, you'll feel healthier and more energetic. Discipline isn't something too difficult. You just need to plan and stick to it. A small tip is to break down big goals into small, specific steps. For example, if you want to finish reading a book, set a goal to read 10 pages a day. This way, you'll easily achieve your goal without feeling overwhelmed. Moreover, create good habits to support your discipline. Simple things like turning off your phone before bed to avoid social media temptation, or setting an alarm away from your bed to force yourself to get up early. These small changes will help you maintain discipline without feeling restricted. Remember, discipline is not about forcing yourself, but treating yourself well. By maintaining discipline, you're building a solid foundation to achieve any goal you desire. Just like building a house, discipline is the bricks that help you construct lasting success. Habit 5. Build good relationships. Next is an important but often overlooked factor. Build good relationships. Have you ever wondered why some people easily connect and integrate with those around them? What's their secret? Let's find out. First, start with simple things. Did you know that a sincere smile can dissolve all distances? That's right, a smile and a friendly greeting can open many doors. And you know, no one can resist the charm of a smile. But don't just stop at smiling. Listen to others sincerely. Listening isn't just hearing with your ears, but feeling with your heart. When you truly listen, you create a deeper connection. Imagine if you continuously talk about yourself without caring about others. How would they feel? And don't forget, promises are gold. When you promise to help someone, keep your word. This not only builds trust, but also shows you're reliable. Everyone wants friends they can trust, right? To expand your network, actively participate in social activities, workshops, or clubs. This not only helps you meet many new people, but also learn many interesting things from them. You never know who you might meet and what you might learn from them. Lastly, remember, a good relationship isn't about what you can get from others, but what you can give. Sincerity, gratitude, and caring for others will help you build lasting and meaningful relationships. So start today, create and nurture beautiful relationships around you. Habit 6. Always be positive and optimistic. The sixth habit is extremely important. Always be positive and optimistic. Have you ever wondered why some people always see the light at the end of the tunnel, no matter what happens? Their secret is positivity and optimism. First, think about how you can change your perspective. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. It sounds cliché, but how we perceive problems can completely change the outcome. Instead of focusing on difficulties, look for opportunities in every situation. Life isn't always rosy, but you can choose how you react. Imagine having a bad day. Instead of letting a bad mood affect your whole day, find a small positive thing to brighten it up. It could be a compliment from a colleague, a delicious cup of coffee, or simply a moment of relaxation. Another way to maintain a positive mindset is to surround yourself with positive people. Did you know our mood is often influenced by those around us? Seek out friends, colleagues, or family members with a positive spirit to spread good energy together. Don't forget to take time for yourself. Taking care of yourself not only helps you recharge, but also maintains a positive outlook. Do what you love, try new experiences, and enjoy every moment of life. Habit 7. Be grateful and share. We've reached the final habit in our journey of discovering the 7 golden habits of successful people. This habit is special and has the power to change your life in a magical way. Be grateful and share. Have you ever stopped to feel grateful for the small things around you? Gratitude is not just saying thank you, but deeply appreciating what you have. Try starting each day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be a delicious meal, a close friend, or even a sunny day. This will help you view life more positively and appreciatively. Not just stopping at gratitude, sharing is also important. When you share your joy, knowledge, or even your time with others, you not only make their lives better, but also create meaningful relationships. Think about the last time you helped someone. Didn't it feel great? Sharing doesn't have to be grand. Sometimes, a sincere compliment, a smile, or a small act can make others happy. Make sharing a part of your daily habit. Another way to practice gratitude and sharing is by participating in volunteer activities. When you spend time helping the community, you're not only contributing to society's development, but also gaining invaluable experiences and deep joy. Lastly, remember that gratitude and sharing not only make your life better, but also spread positive energy to everyone around you. Start with small acts, appreciate every moment, and always be willing to help others. When you do this, you'll find life becoming richer and more meaningful. We've completed the journey of exploring the 7 golden habits of successful people. Each habit is like a piece of the big picture of life, helping you not only succeed, but also be happier. But this journey doesn't stop here. Let's continue to explore and conquer new challenges together. Are you ready to become the best version of yourself? Don't forget, every day is a new opportunity for you to change and grow. To not miss any interesting content, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have many exciting things waiting for you ahead. And if you find this video useful, don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for always accompanying us. always keep a positive and optimistic spirit. See you in the next videos. Have a wonderful and energetic day.